Introduction. A city park or known as urban park is a park or botanical garden in cities, densely populated suburbia, and another incorporated place that offer green space and place for recreation to residents and visitors. They serve as green space within cities, providing opportunities for relaxation, exercise, social interaction, and connection with nature amidst the urban environment. City parks are managed and maintained by local government or park authorities to ensure they remain accessible and enjoyable for residents and visitors alike.
Okay, so this slide explains about function of city parks. There's 4 functions that I'll provide in this slide. The first is to balance ecosystem, social, cultural, economic, aesthetic, and as urban area. Second is to reduce the cost of managing stormwater infrastructure by using green solutions, especially in parks and open spaces. Third is fostering healthier lifestyles and well-being among city residents. And the last is to fight pollution, encourage biodiversity in city, and to help control temperatures and humidity. This slide, it is about design strategies. So there's a few types sustainable city park design strategies that we include. First is accessibility and connectivity. Parks should be easy for everyone to reach, including people with disabilities. They should also have good paths and roads connecting them to nearby neighborhoods, so people can walk, bike, or use public transportation to get there easily. Next is functionality and flexibility. Parks should have things for lots of different activities and people of all ages. For example, playgrounds, sport facilities, picnic areas, walking paths, and spaces for cultural events or innovation and technology. Adding innovative technologies can enhance the park experience and provide educational opportunities, such as smart lighting, interactive installation, or digital information system. Then, environmental sustainability. Choosing sustainable design helps reduce how much the park affects the environment. For example, using native plants, sustainable irrigation systems, energy-efficient lighting, and incorporating natural drainage systems. Have resilience and adaptability. Designing parks to withstand and recover from natural disasters or climate change effects is really important now. This might involve using tough materials, adding up shade structure, and planning for water management. And the last is aesthetics and landscaping. The park's design should consider aesthetics that complement the natural surroundings and enhance the urban environment to create a pleasant and inviting atmosphere. Consider landscaping, including greenery, water features, and public art.
Species diversity. In landscape design for city parks, enhancing species diversity is crucial for creating sustainable and ecologically healthy environments. By integrating these principles into landscape design, city parks can serve as valuable urban refuge for biodiversity, providing ecological benefits, recreational opportunities, and aesthetic enjoyment for residents and visitors alike. There are several key considerations and strategies for promoting species diversity in the design of city parks. Native plant selection. Incorporating native plant species in a park landscape helps to support local biodiversity. Native plants are adapted to the local climate, soil conditions, and wildlife interaction, which promotes ecological balance. They are also require less maintenance and water, making them sustainable choices for urban environments. Habitat diversity. Designing parks with a variety of habitats such as meadows, woodlands, wetlands, and water features increase species diversity by providing niches for different plants and animals. Each habitat type supports unique species and contributes to overall ecosystem health. Education and community engagement. Engage park users and local communities in biodiversity conservation efforts through educational signage, workshops, and volunteer opportunities. Increasing awareness about the importance of species diversity can foster stewardship and support for park conservation initiatives. Water management. Implement sustainable water management practices such as rain gardens, biospheres, and permeable paving to reduce runoff and create habitats for aquatic species. Incorporate water elements like ponds or small wetlands to support amphibians, insects, and waterfall.
Ecological implications. The ecological implications appearing the most of simple green space under the urban landscape. The parks will be living when the ecosystem playing as a main role in urban ecology. The green space not only provide the much needed place for recreation but also important provisions of ecological function both to the environment and residents in the cities. The design composition are consists of the different ecological roles of city parks, which is maintaining biodiversity, air and water quality, mitigating climate impacts, and enhancing overall urban sustainability. The background for the understanding and development of how city parks enhance the health and resilience of natural ecosystem in busy city environment. These are the ecological implications. First, biodiversity engagement. Urban gardens can integrate a variety of plant species, animals, and microbial species. They provide habitat for flora and fauna, including birds, insects, and sometimes larger wildlife. This biodiversity contributes to the overall health and resilience of urban ecosystem. Second, air quality improvement. Trees and other vegetation in urban parks play an important role to absorb carbon dioxide and other pollutants such as particulate matter and nitrogen dioxide. It can reduce the concentration of harmful substances in the air. This helps reduce air pollution and improve the quality of human life. Third, habitat connectivity. Well-designed city parks can act as corridors or stepping stones for wildlife movement across urban areas. The connectivity is essential for species to disperse and adapt for changing environmental conditions and population stability. Fourth, soil health and erosion control. Applying plants bacteria helps maintain soil health by preventing erosion and encourage nutrient cycling. Healthy soil supports plant growth by providing habitat for soil organisms so that it can contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. Noise reduction. Vegetation in urban parks can act as a protector against noise pollution from city traffic. Trees and shrubs absorb and reflect sound waves, reducing noise levels in residential and recreational areas next to it. Community benefits. City parks provide social, interactive, and recreational benefit for urban residents. They offer opportunities for physical activity and relaxation which are important for mental and physical well-being. Accessibility to green spaces has provided better mental health outcomes. Climate regulation. Urban parks contribute to the process of carbon control and temperature moderation. Trees and green spaces absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as well as help reduce greenhouse gas emission. They provide shade, which can help reduce high temperatures and reduce the effect of urban heat island. Stormwater management. City parks help absorbing rainwater and reducing runoff. Vegetation and soil in parks act as natural sponge, absorbing and filtering pollutants before they enter water bodies. Properly designed parks with features like rain gardens and permeable surface can enhance the stormwater management capacity.
Sustainable development. Sustainable development principles are crucial in the landscape design of city parks to ensure long-term environmental, social, and economic benefits. By integrating these sustainable development principles into city park landscape design, these parks can serve as models of environmental stewardship, enhance urban residents, promote community well-being, and contribute to a sustainable future for cities and their residents. There are key considerations and strategies for integrating sustainable developments into city parks landscape design. Site analysis and planning. Conduct a depth site analysis to understand existing conditions such as soil type, hydrology, microclimates, and existing vegetation. Use this information to plan park layouts that minimize disruptions to natural features and maximize ecological benefits. Accessibility and social equity. Design parks to be inclusive and accessible for people of all ages, abilities, and backgrounds. Incorporate universe design principles in pathways, sitting areas, and recreational facilities to ensure equitable access and enjoyment for everyone in the community. Energy efficiency. Incorporate energy efficient lighting, solar powered features such as lighting, water pumps, meanwhile passive design strategies including shade trees to reduce cooling needs to minimize energy consumption and carbon emission within the park. Material and resource. Select sustainable materials for park infrastructure and furnishings such as recycled content materials, responsibly sourced wood, and durable products with minimal maintenance requirements. Minimize waste generation and promote recycling and composting within park facilities.
Human-environment interaction. Mental impact. Air quality. Parks contribute to improving air quality by offering green space that absorb pollutants and carbon dioxide. Soil health. Practice aimed at maintaining healthy soil, such as avoiding chemical fertilizers and encouraging the growth of beneficial microorganisms. Biodiversity enhancement. Effort to create habitats that support various species of birds and insects and small animals.
Recreational activities, relaxation and socializing. People visit parks to relax, have picnics, read, meditate, and socialize with friends and family. Events and festivals. Many parks host public events, concert, festivals, and community gatherings, fostering social cohesion and cultural activities. Exercise and sport. Parks provide space for jogging, walking, and cycling. Infrastructure and design. Accessibility, ensuring the garden is accessible to all, including wheelchair users and people with disabilities. Facilities. Parks are equipped with facilities such as bench, restrooms, and picnic area to enhance user experience. Social and cultural significance. Community building, social gathering place where people from diverse backgrounds can interact. Education, taught environmental programs, guided tours, and instructional signs about the local flora and fauna. Parks frequently offer educational opportunities.
In conclusion, we get a lot of knowledge and new experience through the study of this topic in City Park. We learn more about various aspects such as function, design strategies, species diversity, ecological implications of the chosen ecosystem, human-environment interaction, and sustainable development. Overall, a city park, also known as an urban park, has many advantages and benefits. They provide facilities for recreation and social interaction that promote a sense of community and well-being among residents and visitors. Environmental sustainability can improve physical and mental health and also provide protection from crowded life in the city. City Park has high opportunities with the support of various biodiversity or plants and serve as a wide green spaces. Tools provide and application of this city park are very crucial to ensure a high quality of life and creating livable cities in urban areas from now and for future generations.